Did you need some assistance?
Yeah. Hey everybody, welcome to Nylea's Playhouse. Hey guys, welcome back to Nylea's Playhouse. Today I'm gonna make bubble blasters. Okay, all you need is just a plastic bottle. Not bottle, cup. And you need a water bottle. Unless if it's empty, you can use it. Next up, you need is bubbles, a rubber band, and the last item you need is a sock. But make sure it's like really long. An adult to cut the bottom of your water bottle. Right, Dad? Once your adult cuts the bottom of your cup, it's time to put your sock on. So what we're gonna do is grab our sock and put it on top of our water bottle. After your adult puts the sock on top of your water bottle, now it is time to put your rubber band on your sock. All right, so after you got your rubber band on, you have to open your bubbles and pour it in the plastic cup. Make sure you fill it up halfway. Just kind of like halfway. So after you put your bubbles in the cup halfway, you're gonna close your bubbles. You're gonna put them to the side. Now for the best part, time to go outside. All right, guys, now it's time for the best part. Now you're gonna stick your sock inside of the bubbles. Ready? All right, and then now you're gonna take it out slowly. Make sure nothing is spilling. All right, now when your cap is off your bottle, now you have to blow. Ready? All right, guys, this is how you make bubbles from a bubble blaster.
You need some help? Ready?
Whoa!
Did you need some assistance?
See how it made a lot of bubbles? That's how you make a bubble blaster. Bye, everybody!